Just now I have mentioned that the series of elements where the new electron or incoming electron that preferentially enters into 4f orbitals are known as the lanthanide elements, and the series of elements where the incoming electron preferentially enters into 5f orbitals are commonly known as the actinide elements. These elements are also known as sub transition elements or inner transition elements, because these are the elements which are placed in between the S and P block of periodic table, where the sixth period, which begins with the cesium, barium, and after barium the first member of the series, that is having atom number 57, that starts. And hence, as the series is in between S and P and also in between the D block of the periodic table, and hence are commonly known as sub or inner transitional elements. Now, the first series of elements that is known as the Lanthanides series that we are going to study, the first aspect of this series is electronic configuration. So you have to take the pen and your notebook, because we are going to work out how to write the electronic configuration of all these elements. In the beginning, I shall deal with the names, then the symbol and the atomic number. After all, we are going to see the observed electronic configuration of all these elements. So you have to prepare the columns that I am going to show here. So you have to prepare the columns like this. You have to prepare the first column as the serial number. First column, you have to write side by side in your notebook. Then second column is of atomic number. Then the symbol. Then you have to prepare name of the element. You have to write side by side. Otherwise, you will not be familiar with the names and the electronic configuration. And the last column that we are going to prepare is the observed electronic configuration. So we have prepared, first column is a serial number, then second column is the atomic number, third column is the symbol, fourth is the name of the element, and last column is the observed electronic configuration. Now, under the first column, you have to write serial number 1, atomic number, as we have just now discussed, that the first member of this series, which starts with atomic number 57. So first is a 57, the symbol is La, and name of the element is lanthanum. First member, atomic number 57, the symbol is La, name of the element is lanthanum. You have to write side by side. The second member is having atom number 58. Symbol is a Ce. C capital, E small, is known as cerium. Cerium. The second member is a cerium. Then the third member, atom number 59. Symbol is a Pr, and name of this element is a praseodymium. 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 Symbol is Pr. The fourth element having atom number 60. Symbol is Nd. Name of the element is neodymium. Then the fifth member, atom number 61. Symbol is Pm. P capital, M small. Name of the element is promethium. 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 Then the sixth member, atom number 62. Symbol is Sm. Name of the element is samarium. Name of the element is samarium. You have to be careful because you have to deliver the seminar on all these aspects. So whatever I am telling you, you have to reproduce during your seminar. Atom number 63. Symbol is Eu. Name of the element is europium. Name of the element is europium. Then serial number 8, atom number 64. The central element having symbol capital G and D, small d. Name of the element is gadolinium. 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 If you write side by side, then and then you will be familiar with the entire series of 15 elements. Otherwise, it is very difficult because I think online examination for which you should be very well familiar with the entire series. Then ninth element, atom number 65 is a Tb. Name of the element is a terbium. Then atom number 10, serial number 10, atom number 66. Symbol is a Dy. Name of the element is a dysprosium. You would write Dysprosium. Dysprosium having atom number 66. Then 11th member having atom number 67 is HO. H capital, O small. Name of the element is holmium. 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 Then the 12th member, atom number 68. Symbol is ER. Name of the element is erbium. 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 Then atom number 13. Serial number 13. Atom number 69. it is symbols Tm. Name of the element is thulium. 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 Then serial number 14, last but one element, atomic number 70, symbol is Yb, name is ytterbium, 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 having symbol Yb, atom number 70, and the last member having atom number 71, symbol is Lu, name of the element is lutetium, Lutetium, lutetium. So we have come to the end of this entire series, wherein we have seen in all 15 elements starting from the lanthanum to the last element lutetium. Now first job of all of you is that you have to by heart the series. While making the series perfect, you should be very well familiar with the symbols and the name of the elements too, because sometimes the symbols and names may be confusing. Because here, for example, here I have written praseodymium and one more element that is having the name as promethium. See this. So PR and PM, these are the two confusing words. PR means praseodymium having atomic number 59, while promethium having atomic number 61. So you should be very well familiar with all these symbols and their respective names. Then and then you will be very much perfect. If you are perfect, then it is very easy to write the observed electronic configuration, because sometimes the question MCQ type question may be asked that this element, you will be given the name of the element and having the observed electronic configuration, you will be given 4 options. These 4 options are very much concordant with very concordant and hence are confusing. So if you know the atomic number and the names of the element, then you are very easy to write the observed electron confusion. Or sometimes a confusing or twisted question may be given, that you will be given the electronic confusion of the element and you have to identify the name of the element. So you should be very well familiar with the observed electron